Go over here, select that, and just I want to say change the level, and let me do that. Change level. See, okay. If you don't want A, B, C, D, go to the change level and just stay 1, 2, 3. Okay, not 1, 2, 3. Let me go again over here. Change level 1.1. See, like that. It's sub under. Getting? So you can do that also. And there is define the format. Let me check. Okay, I can get exactly why it's not coming. Let me say click all. I want to do over here. Okay, this one. After that, change level. Mhm, not that. Okay, or else what I want gonna do? Let me check. I want to erase the numbering. See, erase, erase, erase. Okay. Suppose this one is second, but this one is sub point. Okay. Let me select it all. Going to over here again to the numbering. Okay. Which one? Uh, change level. Okay. Let me apply first. Okay. Now inside of that, change level. Okay. It's going to the too much inside. See, one. Okay. And there is one option. I'm trying to get that over here. Okay. Define a multi-level list. Okay. I want to say I want a 1.1. Okay. And just say okay. Now you can see 1.1, 2.1, 3.1. So like that. So it's depend upon how you can present. It's on you. Okay. Undo, 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 undo. I want as it is. Okay. So this is bullet point, a normal number list. Okay. Sub, this is called a multiple level list, right? And the right, let me go again back to the home. Right side, left side. Okay. Left side, middle, right side, and a normal. Okay. Now if suppose you want to take a distance, okay, you know, see there is a gap after a line sentence. How we can manage that? Go over here. This is called, when you are hovering, see what is that? Line and paragraph spacing. Okay, go over here. 1.1, see how much? 1.2, see? Getting? This is. And which one is a correct one? 1.50 by default. Okay, you can change that, there is no matter. After that, we have this one also, a sort. Sometime we need to sort like a to Z. We can do that. Right now, I have only H, so it will be a not sort. Okay, we need a like a ABCD format. Like suppose Rohit and suppose Abdul is there. So Abdul will be a top and Rohit will be a second one. So if suppose we want to sort, we have the sorting. Okay, arranging the current selection in the alphabetical and numerical order. Okay, now after that we have the this one. If suppose I want to a background color, see, that's called shading. Okay, shading means what? If suppose I want to background color, this is exactly the background color, and this one is what? This is a highlighter. Both are different. Okay, now after that we have the, if suppose I want to a border, if suppose I want to top border, this kind of border, we can do that. See, right? Getting? So we have the a box borders. We can do the borders also, right? Suppose I'm selecting only one, it will be apply for only one. Bottom, top, left side, right side. If suppose I want no border, means no border. If suppose I want full border, it's all border. Getting? So this is border also, I can do that. Now after that we have the style concept, means which type of styles you want to apply. Okay, so suppose I'm applying this, see, styles as apply. Getting? And this is called a header style. Okay, this is called no space style, means space is not there. And normal, we can create our one also, means what? If suppose I want to make my style own one, see, create style. Okay, style one, suppose I'm using name, use your name, whatever you want to apply. Okay, and modify, I want to modify that. what you want to apply for your style. Suppose I'm saying apply this one, I want a color like this, means I want to this one type of format. After that I want a 20 size at least, I want bold, italic also, underline also, a blah 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 stuff, and okay. So what happened when I'm apply this is I'm making my own style. Whatever I'm applying feature using by this, my own style I'd make it. And how I can delete? Go over here, right click and just say what, remove from style gallery. See, it's right, a remove. Getting? Now after that we have the editing group. Editing group we are using if suppose I want to find anything and if I want to replace anything. Okay, for that purpose let me select everything, erasing everything stuff, going to the Chrome again back. Okay, going to the Chrome, Sky Vision College. Okay, now over here I want information about info about Sierra Leone. Okay, information about Sierra Leone. This is the Wikipedia. I'm clicking on Wikipedia. Okay, let me take the information. Boku Boku Talk. Okay, enough. Copy. Okay, and just I'm right clicking and copy. See the whatever I copied from to the internet. Okay, now suppose I want to search any word. What is that I want to search? Suppose this one, constitute. Okay, I want to search this constitute word. Okay, suppose I'm in top and I want to find. Click on find option, put over here constitute, or you can type also. See what, how many constitute word are, I can see that. Okay, so I can find that. But right now there are a lot of constitute, so it will be showing lot of. If you have seen, the three results are there. Okay, and even if suppose I want to change a constitute, okay, I want going to the replace, I want to change constitute word to the replace with the Rohit. Okay, so how many constitute word I have, it will be changes into the Rohit. Getting? So let's check. Replace all. Replacement complete. See, replace all. Right now nothing is I have. And when you are going to over here, word find. Right now not constitute. Okay. This is why not change. See the spelling. They are matching all spelling. Okay. So let me go cancel it and let me search Rohit. See how many results? Two results are there. And Rohit change. Getting? So this is how can at a time I can do a changes. So this is all about the home tab. Okay.